could stay like this, forever following you.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. I'm Lauren. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this braided ponytail look. I have seen so many girls on Instagram, as well as like Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner, that have been doing this hairstyle, and I honestly think it's so perfect for spring and also for summer, for casual looks, but also for dressy looks. It's such a versatile and cute hairstyle that I thought I would show you guys. I've also posted a couple of pictures on my own Instagram on this hairstyle, and I've gotten so many questions on how I do it and comments on how cute it is. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this really easy, cute hairstyle, then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is this product right here. It is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Gel Souffle with agave nectar and flaxseed oil. This stuff is so good. This one in particular also has coconut oil, so it's supposed to be a hydrating gel and nourishing and like all that good stuff. So if you guys are looking for a good one, especially for this hairstyle where you do need a lot of gel, then I recommend this one by Shea Moisture. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some of this gel, and by some I mean you really don't have to put that much. I take about a dime size amount of this gel, and also I'm going to wet my hands to just kind of brush my hair back. So now that my hair is wet, I'm going to take about a quarter size amount of the gel. I do like to use a generous amount only because I know that since this is more of a natural gel, it does hold really well, but I still want it to really hold my hair. And the good thing about this one is it really doesn't get crunchy even if you use a lot of it. It's more of like an oil type of finish, which I personally like because it leaves your hair looking really shiny. And don't forget the bottom part of your hair. This is something that I do forget a lot, and you don't want to because then you'll have like a lot of little flyaways in the back of your head. So next I'm going to be taking this 4-bristle brush, which has a bunch of hairs on it, but this is the one that I use to basically just brush all my hair back. And it makes sure that all the hair is like nicely brushed and sleek. So right now I'm just brushing all my hair back into a ponytail, and depending on your preference, you can either make the ponytail obviously higher or lower depending on what you want. I like mine to kind of be where my ears are, like that level, kind of in the middle of my head. Now I have a very sleek egghead situation going on, and now I'm going to wash my hands. So now that my hands are clean, I'm going to be showing you guys the ponytail that I use for this whole look. So there's two ways that you could actually do this hairstyle. You could just use your regular hair extensions, which is something that I do. It's more of a natural look though, but if you want the full like Rapunzel fantasy, then I'm going to show you guys how to achieve that. So the first thing that I like to pull is this ponytail. I got this one from insert name here. It is just a synthetic blonde ponytail that matches this hair color pretty well. It's a little lighter than this hair, but I'm always like constantly changing my hair, so like it's fine. And so this is what the ponytail looks like. It's just this like dirty blonde ponytail. So even though it is a synthetic ponytail, you can put heat on it up to like a certain amount of degrees, but I basically put only like 100 something degrees. I didn't put that much heat on it, and it honestly straightened like right away. But if you do want the Ariana Grande like ponytail look all the way up here, which is what I bought this for, then it definitely does straighten pretty straight, and you can achieve that look as well. It brings this little hair section that's kind of curled because this is a part that you wrap around the base of the ponytail. It also brings two little bobby pins. It just has like this Velcro kind of elastic thing, and it also has a little clip where you're gonna clip it into the ponytail that you just made. So one thing that I like to do is clip it and then put another ponytail. I kind of put like an elastic right around this base, and then I wrap and kind of cover it, if that makes sense. The reason that I do that again is because I don't want this to slip off my head, especially when I'm moving. This is kind of heavy as well, so it just starts to slip off my head. So I just like to secure as much as possible. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, or if it doesn't slip off for you, then that's great. But for me, it kind of does, so I like to double secure. So now that the ponytail is secure and I have clipped all the pins in, I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it all the way down. And I'm not doing a good job of showing you guys how long this ponytail actually is. It's like all the way down past my belly button. So now that I have the braid all done, you can see that there's just these little things that are just sticking out from my natural hair. So I'm going to go ahead and try to pin them as best I can. So now that the ponytail braid is basically done, I'm going to go ahead and fix my baby hairs with some gel. And I'm also going to be using this little, I think this is an eyebrow brush and comb. I have two of these, so I just ended up using like the thicker brush part for my baby hairs, and it works really well. I know some people use toothbrushes, or you have like your own actual baby hair comb. So just use whatever you have. So I'm also going to take whatever's left on here and just make sure that this part is also gelled and brushed back. So now the final touch, which is completely optional, is to use one of these little clips just to clip the bottom part of my hair. So yeah guys, this is the braided ponytail look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to try out the ponytail look at home, I will make sure to link everything down in the description box with all the information regarding this ponytail that I used today. Like always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.